In this video, I'm going to install a cup holder on my Roadglide Limited. This is the cup holder right here. Pretty nice piece. Comes with the mount, couple of spaces, and 2 bolts. I like to use blue Loctite on these bolts just to make sure they don't back off. To install that cup holder, you're going to have to take the 2 bolts out of the clutch handle. So we're going to take the bracket, put the bolt through, put the second bolt through. I'm going to put the spacer on, second spacer, and then I'm going to add my old washers from the old bolts on last. So this is going to go through the bracket, the clutch bracket. Make sure we're not stripping this. And get the other one. All right. Okay. Make sure everything's in place correctly. And then we're just going to hand snug this. Make it good and tight, but not overly tight because we don't want to strip it. There's a bolt on the top here. We can loosen that. And that will allow us to move this in any angle we want. So I'm going to put it a little bit off to the side here. I like a 45 degree, I guess. Snug this down. I also put medium Loctite on that bolt off of camera. Now we take the cup holder, put the nut through, push the cup holder on the ball, and then we're going to get that nut started. Just tighten it down. That's it. There's your cup holder. Pretty nice. Try it out. Woo, look at that. Pretty nice. Well, I got to tell you, that wasn't a bad install. Like I said, take the 2 bolts out, put the new bolts in with the spacers. I used the old washers. It went pretty easy. I wish everything would go that easy. I'll throw a link for that cup holder in the description area below. You guys can check it out. There are some on Amazon. I'll put a link to those. A lot cheaper, but I don't know what the quality is, just to give you a heads up. But I think it'll work too. Got any questions or comments? You know what to do. Write them up. Stay safe on the road, and God bless.